my face. What is it? She's back. She's back. I have no idea. Welcome back, guys. Thanks for checking in with me, Eden. Checking in, not checking out. So, in today's video, it's going to be a little bit different. Normally, I tell my mum/assistant what I want to be doing, but today, my mum/assistant actually said she's going to make a surprise video, and normally I don't know what it is, but I actually don't know. Like, I have no idea what we are doing. You guys would know because you would have read the title, but I actually have no idea what we do. So, what are we doing today? Okay, assistant, can you please get me out of this miserable mood and please tell me what am I going to be doing in this video? Okay. I'll wait. So guys, while my assistant is gone, I don't really know what I'm going to be doing. What if I get a new LOL? What if I got 5 LOLs? I already have a look, but I kind of lost some of my LOLs. So, alright, let's just not talk about that, but I really wanted this. The new OMG light up dolls. They actually light up. When you just turn them off, they light up like, I always dreamed of having that. Like, I'm so excited. I'm gonna explode in my face. Yeah? I'm gonna explode in my face. What is it? She's back. I have no idea. OMG! I got the new OMG KJ doll! I was thinking about this, that I will get it. Oh, guys, let me tell you what this is. So it's basically a normal LOL doll just with hair and like really tall heels. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much, assistant/mum. I really appreciate it. Give me a hug. Oh, I really appreciate this. Well, let's just get into the video and open this. Whoop, whoop. I decided to get a table and chair because so I don't have to like sit on the floor and open. This is more comfortable. So I actually don't know where to start. Wait, there's a little arrow here. Do you guys see it? Arrow there. So I think that's where you start. Alright, let me open it. Wait, that's a bit tough. Ooh, there we go. Guys, it's like a little mini wardrobe. Wait, there's something similar about this. I have the OMG doll, Queen Bee, and she has like the same bag. They are twinsies. This is so cool! First, let me go get my OMG Queen Bee doll, so when she comes out, she's gonna have a little sister. Alright, wait 1 sec. I'm back. Oop, everything fell on the floor. I'm back, and I got Queen Bee. Hey y'all, it's me, Queen Bee. This is Queen Bee. My mum/assistant actually done her hair in these 2 buns. I really like these 2 buns. Oh, and guys, look. She has little buns at the front. I don't know if you can see, but she has little buns at the front there. She is waiting for her little sister to come out. Okay, I'm just going to get my mum/assistant to help me, you know, like cut all the tape off. Look, there's a bit of tape on there and get these stuff out, whatever these are in here. So, yeah.
2 very boring minutes later.
Okay, so I'm just going to set this down to the side so I can show you the items what I've got. So, I don't really know what this is. I think there's going to be like accessories or something. So, I think this is accessories. And I think this is like a headband. Look, guys. it looks like a headband and like some bangs. A headband with bangs, yeah. And I also know that these are the clothes. Yep, these are the clothes because when I unboxed Queen Bee, she had clothes in this package. And I also know that this is the 3-length shoes. Look, guys, those are so tall. Like, they're high heels and they're that tall. So let's get opening these. Okay, guys, I'm going to start opening this one. It's the bangs with the hair. I don't know what it really is, but I think it's a headband with bangs. So, wait, this isn't that. It's actually a water bottle. Guys, look. It's a water bottle and it has a bee on it, a bee on it because she's Queen Bee. It's not actually a Queen Bee, but I just think it's a Queen Bee. Like, you know, her name is called Queen Bee and her name is called Royal Bee. That is so cool. Let me open the next one. Let me think. I'm going to open this one next. So, let me see. Oh, that was easy. No, I'm going to do this. Right on top of the door. And here we go. Alright, alright, alright. I believe these are the clothes. I believe. And my belief came to my trust. Oh, this is so cute. This is just like a mini jacket, kind of like Royal Bees. Do you see the jacket? They look so cute. Oh, Royal Bee, don't worry. Your sister is coming and she's going to be as fashionable as you are. Oh, this jacket is so mini. Oh my gosh. This could literally be for my finger. Look, my jacket has a finger. This jacket is gold and black like Royal Bee's one. This is so cute. I think I want to open this next. Put this rubbish in the pool. This is dark. Alright, I'll just leave that. So, let's get opening this one. Oh, guys. Wait, I think... Wait, hold up. This kind of looks like a genie suit or like a skirt. So here is the outfit. So here's the outfit and this is the jacket. So I believe you put this like that. That is so cool. I want to open this one. Alright, let's see what we got. I was right. It is accessories. No, no way. No. Oh my gosh. Guys, I have to come up to the camera because it's so small. It's a mini iPad. A mini iPad. Do you see that? And Queen Bee is calling Royal Bee. They're FaceTiming each other. That's so cool. Royal Bee, tell me when you done that. She done it yesterday. Wow. And you couldn't even tell me to say hi to your sister. Wow. But anyways, I don't really care. It's okay. You're my favorite. We have, I don't know what this is. Is it like a headband or something? I think it's a headband or a necklace or something. Headband or necklace. And, wait, I think this is a headband. And this is a necklace. Here's a necklace. And there's one more thing in here. Let me check if there's any more stuff. Nope, nothing else. So, here are some glittery glasses. I remember Royal Bee had this, but they were like, it was gem glasses. It was the same kind of glasses like this, but it was made out of gems. Now I'm going to open this. I'm excited to open this. Oh, this is like a little present. Royal Bee, thanks for the present. Ooh, let's see what my present is. Ooh. OMG! No way, look how tall these are. I have to come up to the camera and show you all the details. Look at this. This is Do you see that glitter, guys? Look, it kind of looks like a bee. Look, do you guys see? It kind of looks like a bee. The golden part looks like a beehive. OMG. This is so cool. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. Let me tell you what is my favorite. All of them. Especially this cute little tablet where they're FaceTime is so cute. Okay guys, I just put the stuff in the boxes to the side so we have a bit more room to get the other things out. So, I have it back and I don't really know what the zip is for. I think it's for like when she is out of the box. When she's out of the box without heels, she's this small. But when she has her heels on, she's this big. So there's a thing that... Ooh, I think you open it from here. So open that. Ooh. There's some instructions. I can't read this all. Alright, we're just going to put it to the side as well. Alright, and let me get out my doll. Oh. She's so cute! Look how cute she is, guys. Okay, guys, I'm just going to put this box down so you can actually see the doll and so my assistant can cut it. Yeah, just cut the doll and let her free, let her free, let her free. Here you go. Thank you so much, assistant. So, what I have in my hands is the doll with actual knickers and an actual belly top. I have the doll with puffy hair. It kind of looks like Royal Bee's. Yes, this is kind of like Royal Bee's hair. And it came with a brush, kind of like Royal Bee's brush. Yes, she had this kind of brush. And she has a stand. Wait, I'm going to tee her with the stand quickly. Hold up. OMG, Royal Bee has this. Oh my gosh. I've never seen an actual little LOL doll with a stand. Oh my gosh. And look at her makeup. Wait, do you guys see that? Oh my gosh. So let's get dressing up. Okay guys, she's all dressed and ready. Let me give you a quick close-up of her. So here's her, and her iPad, and her drink, and her beautiful hair, and her cute headband. So how about we just do a little fashionista show? So let's go. Okay, that's enough of your fashion shoot, Queen Bee. Okay, you guys. Thank you for watching my video. I really hope you enjoyed it. So I just gotta get playing. But wait, one more thing. Do not forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and comment down below if you like this girl and you have a JK doll and an OMG doll like this. Comment down below, guys, and do not forget to like, and checking out, not checking in. I'll be right with sass. Yes, queen, yes. Oh, hey, sis. Hey.